Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong likod, Jomar Makinay. And today, we'll be reviewing this very beautiful last unit and already sold. So this is already going. Too bad for you. SBL RP9 version 3. It's very beautiful. This is a copy of the GNG RP9 Airsoft. It's in 1:1 copy. Looks very beautiful. This one is a nylon and metal handguard, metal outer barrel, metal fake mini suppressor, nylon stock. Nylon? I think it's metal. Yes, metal. Nylon stock and battery cover. Very beautiful metal ambidextrous magazine release. Very nice. That's it. Very nice. Trades, it has a lot. Yeah, see, SQS. This is supposed to be GNG, but they changed it. M-Lock, more trades, made in China. The GNG is made in Taiwan. So, this one also. This should be GNG. So, features, it has V2 type gearbox, so upgrades will be a lot. Lot of options. It's really heavy, so I think it's a metal gearbox, nylon gearbox. It has an EPU, so it has an auto prime. Right. Comes with an 11.1 battery. And the battery is here. Really weird. And the buttstock. And it's very small. So, this will totally limit your upgrade options because of the very limited space. And, I don't know, is the risk of opening and closing the battery enclosure. I'll remove it. Very thin wires. So, your upgrades will be, you cannot do extremes on this one. No. Okay. But it looks so wonderful. Folding stock. Where's the folding? So this one is for righties. It's not for me. Okay. Still, looks nice. Weight. This is very heavy. It's 1.6 kilograms empty. It has a very short barrel of around 140 millimeters. Very short. The SQB is longer. It has 2 magazines, but magazine 1, magazine. Ta-da! This is a copy of 9mm real steel gun. So this is, I think it's a G17 or a Glock 19 mag. So it fits the aesthetic. But in gel blasters, this is too small. It's 1 or 2 bursts and it's gone. Not unlike this one. Long mag. So, Range, it has a short barrel, so don't expect much. There is no hop up, so very limited range, but it probably will hit the 10 meters mark. The firing video is in the shorts. Price, this is a premium unit, so it has a premium price. This is 7,500. Here also in Hydro Blasters MNL, but this has already been sold. It will be picked up on Monday. So, if there might be on the next batch, might be. So, let's hope, because it looks so pogi. If I'm not getting the SQB, I'll be getting this one, but I already have 6 ARP9s. So, why get another one? So, anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!